now. Start over.
Okay, I think Mom's going crazy because I was sitting on the couch and then
Louder.
I was sitting on the couch and I'm drinking my soda and my popcorn, watching my mystery stories and then I hear this and then I hear Mom scream, "Ben!" I'm like, "What?" And then she's like, "Come on up here," and I have to get up, jump over the couch, which she doesn't like, but I still do it. And then I go up there, and then Mom says, "Oh wait, oh it's gone, it's okay." And then I'm like, "What?" I mean, it's just weird. I don't even know what it was.
That's not how you told it before.
But I just want to be in the video. It's awkward when you put a camera on my face.
Look, me.
I know you're my fan.
I think that Mom's going crazy.
Okay, text message me.
And so is Grandma
If you want
Karen.
to talk to Mom's
How was
phone,
Grandma Karen going crazy?
text in 876.
Daniel, quiet.
Wait,
Hold on.
1-800-376-5.
Yeah, well, I want to hear it. Ben, why?
And
Why is Grandma Karen going crazy?
oh, she's even worse. She's like so when I get picked up from Grandma's, Mom's always there for like 2 extra hours. And so I go in and I'm like, I go in to get a glass of water, and then I say so Mom, when are you planning to leave? And I'm kind of close to Mom. She puts her hand on my head like this, and then pulls me back to stop interrupting.
Stop. No, not when I am driving.
And then well, yeah, that's what she said. She said stop interrupting. I wasn't even interrupting. They were just done with their sentence.
Well, how else is she crazy?
Daniel, stop.
Hey, I'm gonna kill somebody. Hurry up.
How else is she crazy? Well, I'll tell you. Okay, let me tell you about Grandma Darlene. Okay, and all these are true stories too.
Ben Shitless.
So,
Quiet, Mom.
Grandma Darlene, she's like, she says, so one time Mom was in the car and then Grandma calls up and then she's like, and it's Friday, and we've been going to Grandma's for Friday since we were like 3 years old. So Grandma's calling, she's like, "Are you coming over?" And then the Mom's like, "Yeah, we're coming over." And then she's like, "Oh, well, I was going on a walk, you see, and I already started." And then, so then Mom was like, "Oh," and she was like, "You can just drop them off when I can come later." So she drops her off, and then she brings her off. Yeah. Oh no, she drops us off at Grandma's, and she stays there till Grandma comes. And Grandma comes like 10 minutes later, and then
So you like sit on the front porch and wait?
no, I'm sitting in the house. Yeah.
In whose house? Is the
Grandma's.
Grandma Karen, Darlene?
Yeah, and she's just like, I think everybody's going crazy. And I'll tell you, no, don't make me start crazy, but
Oh, let's hear about David.
David.
Oh, want me to tell you something?
Let's let Daniel.
David's not even just going crazy. I think he's just got something wrong in his mind.
Anger issues.
He goes up. He goes up. Oh, Daniel, you don't want me to get started with you.
Well, hold on. Let me let Daniel have a turn. Daniel, what's up with David? You got a story about David?
Yeah, this is what he did to Ben. Don't interrupt.
Is it gonna be that dream about when I was asleep? Oh wait, no.
Look, all right, come on. Let's
Okay.
hear it.
Now, what happened? Wait, don't point it more at me. What happened? Ben was in the car, and then I don't even remember, but they were fighting about this huge thingy.
I don't remember the fight.
Then David like punched him in the nose or something. Like
Punched you in the nose? Who was it?
Was that what happened?
He just punched me. That's the time
Yeah, he
my mom.
punched.
My mom.
I think he almost punched him.
Hold on.
He
Mom's
tried
at the window. Hi.
Hey, the little shop right next door is kind of a cute little shop if you want to go look around in there.
Okie
Hey, no,
Are you
turn it back.
filming me or what?
Yeah, we're just telling stories. These boys have a shit list longer than freaking the drive here.
Of what?
Of the family members. The grandmas. Oh, it's going on
you.
YouTube.
On me?
Yeah. Oh, you're
No.
Don't put me on YouTube, Kate.
I won't.
Yeah, right.
You're beautiful.
You want to go over there? I'll meet you there.
Okie doke. Alright, finish the David story, then we'll go over. Alright, come on. Finish the story. Finish the David story.
So he tries to punch him in the face. But then I did my mad skills and
But I use my cat-like reflexes. Like,
shut up!
Hey,
Okay,
come on.
over
No,
here.
I am. Let go of my hand.
And so I use my ninja focus. and then pretend I'm dead.
No,
And then I come back up and then chop his face off. Like,
Oh boy, this car is gonna hit us. Oh boy, that was close.
they suck.
I would have gotten it right on camera had they done that.
That's what she said. And
Damages. Okay, well, anyway, Ben, your story about David, quick, because I'm running out of time.
there's one time, so this is recently. This is like last couple days, like 3 days ago. I was sitting on the couch and I was watching my movie.
What movie?
And there's it's Land of the Lost. I was watching Land of the Lost movie. And so he has this there's this air can that we have, and it's used to dust off. And if you turn it,
You got like less than a minute, so be quick.
if you turn it upside down, it sprays really cold air at you. So he sprays really cold air in my eyes and in my mouth. So my mouth is all like, it's the worst.
bad.
It's the worst taste in your mouth, and it's really cold, and it's in my eyes.
You got like 20 seconds.
So I had to eat enchiladas to make it go away. I had to eat a couple of Hot Pockets. I had to eat some jelly beans, and I had to eat a lot of stuff to make that
buttered popcorn
smell go
kind.
away. And I'll start with next video. I'll start with Daniel.
I don't know if there's gonna be a next video, so do it quick.
Okay,
Daniel. He